Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock and choose Alarm section at the top left corner. Following that, click on those three dots at the top right one, tap on Settings, and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like Snooze. When you finished, click on the back button, and to add your alarm, select this plus one. Now set up an hour. Then choose OK in the pop-up and click on Repeat. Finally, select days of the week, in my case Mondays and Fridays. You can also click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. Now tap on this little bell icon and choose the best sound for your alarm. You can click on Add New at the top, pick music from your tablet by clicking on it and go back, or just choose one of those sounds, like neon. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. If you want to hide all of those options, click on the bottom right corner. In order to switch off your alarm, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it though, click on this little icon at the bottom right corner again, choose Delete at the bottom left one and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!